All right. This is a very, very exciting day for me. For any of you that sew, you'll be very excited about this as well. I have wanted this machine, for probably about 12 years now. And we sort of decided that we wanted the Cadillac of the light industrial machines, because our other one was just giving us more headaches than it was performing. So as much as I love it, it had to go, and I got to get into this. And right now I have nothing to hold the camera with, or my phone. I'm just so excited. I will have something, I've got something coming, a little tripod, so I'll be able to put this on there, and I won't have to do this back and forth. So get to it. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the best I can do for setting up the camera, because I ordered my parts to be able not to be a videographer. We all know that's not going to happen. But anyway, I'm going to slow down. I'm going to end up yanking the machine apart. Yeah, I don't want to get into that. I want to get into the good stuff. I got to grab my scissors. Okay, I'm going to kill myself here. Slow down, Trace. All right. I should probably just clean that up, but there's nothing to really grab. Oh, yeah, okay, no handles. I should wait for the boss to get home, but I'm too excited. Oh my goodness. I think that's just the box, because it's way too light to be the machine. Holy mackerel. Now how am I supposed to get any computer work done, because now I just want to sew and play. And play and sew. And I'll put on the carpet. Alright, this has got to be the puppy. Oh, I'm thinking. Holy crap. It is heavy. Alright. Keep this packaging. Why? Yeah. Oh, cool. I was going to say, at least they pack it well. And we got staples. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is not going to be as easy as I thought. How am I supposed to keep this packaging when I've just got to mangle it? Alright. Oh, for Pete's sake, people. I don't know how I'm going to get in here. Ouch. Alright, I think I'm going to have to go, because I'm going to have to bring up some assembly instructions, as I do remember them sending me a video saying, watch this before unpacking your machine. So, because... well, yeah, I'm just gonna go. We'll come back to this later. Well, there we are. Not too much later, but that certainly would have been a boring hour. Piece by piece, just sort of putting it together with the help of the video on TV. And I gotta wait for the boss, because we have a table that it goes into. And it's pretty darn heavy to even put on those pins, but what a beautiful carrying case. And I can't wait to give this thing a try. It's like the Cadillac of portable baby industrial machines. Sailrite. Yay! I want to try it. All right, we'll see what happens when we get this thing fired up when the cap gets home. And that'll probably be tomorrow when we set it up, because it's like 6 o'clock right now and I'm tired, but I'm excited. I love it. 2 days later and we still have not had a chance to play with that beautiful thing. The boss got it in the table, and my thread stand, old lights have to go away, and a mess that needs to be cleaned up before we can play. And so, and as soon as we can get the Bimini up, which that's what that machine's for, then we get to put these big beautiful babies up. Holy mackerel. Never thought we'd ever own helm chairs like that. They're gonna look pretty sexy up there. Footrests, everything. Wow.
There you're on. Here we go.
All right, here we go. I gotta try to get this lined up.
Brand new Ultra Feed.
Sailrite Ultra Feed sewing machine. Been a dream machine for over a decade, and we're finally getting our Bimini finished. Weather's still too crappy to put it up yet though, but we'll be ready when it does. Yeah, this is just pretty sweet, and it can even go slower than this if we get a great big honking wheel, but I don't think we'll need to. I just gotta try to keep this straight down. I'm already moving over. I just gotta try to keep it right in between those.
You're bunching up.
Oh, okay.
We should have stitched that in closer.
Yeah, we'll have to roll the next one.
A little tighter.
But this is awesome.
Beauties. Okay.
Awesome.
About 10 more hours, we'll have it done.
Yeah, and look who's doing all the work. I know.
I gotta run the video though.